Alright, I knew this would be good, but I did not expect this. Start with minced beef, add chopped onions, ensure you squeeze it, add coriander, ginger, garlic, olive oil, Greek yogurt, spices, and mix it well. For the sauce, use Greek yogurt, fresh coriander, lemon juice, honey, salt and black pepper, olive oil, garlic, blend until smooth. Quick tip, toast your flatbread first, just lightly so it holds everything better, then stuff it. Cook low and slow so the beef cooks inside. Flip until golden. Soft, juicy, dip it. Then tell me you will not finish both.